Hey guys, Professor NFT here. So before I get started, I do have to let you know this is not financial advice and please do your own research. All right, so today was the day Bull Empire came out. So let's go ahead and pop open Bull Empire on Magic Eden and boom. Floor price is 13.90. So remember you guys, public sale was just 2 SOL. So if you did get one, you are super lucky. I still see this project bullish. I still see this project going more up. Look at the volume. That's crazy. And only still 429 listed out of 2,500 Bull Demon NFT. So let's go ahead here under Discord. Let me show you the announcement they made. So they made a minor announcement. So pretty much, they're letting us know lots of celebs and stars are reposting. Please understand a lot of them are doing collabs, and it's just not a like, hey, this NFT came out story, pretty much. So they show the celebs. I'm pretty sure some of these are Japanese. I wouldn't know much about Japanese celebrities, but I think I know Far East movement is not correct. And supposedly they are going to have more celebs coming out. So they haven't airdropped any to them. So this in Bull Empire, this team delivered. I do see more celebs coming onto this, but kudos to the team. They delivered. They did it in a spectacular way. But there is no buts. They just did it the right way. So I do have a different NFT I saw that came out. I think recently, I think it was today that it came out. It was Proto Pass. So I haven't done much research on this. I kind of know what their utility is. It's pretty much it's a sniping tool, and pretty much if you own a Proto Pass, you have access to their tools pretty much. So their mint price was at 0.66. So let's go ahead and check what they're at right now. Let me see where they are at. I just saw them here, Proto Pass. They're at 2.3 SOL. So we see in the activity, they actually hit 2.6 SOL, 2.5 SOL. So the floor price it dipped a little bit, but I see this project. I see it. I think I'm gonna try to do a quick flip on this. And remember, every project I mention is just my opinion on what it's gonna do. So of course, not everything's always gonna be 100% correct, but I'll try my best, you guys. But probably I'll probably wait till it hits 2 SOL full floor price, or even 1.7, 1.6. And I'll try to do a quick flip. Let's check their Discord. I want to check the activity on the Discord. Yeah, so the activity is there on their Discord. So we'll see. Supposedly, what I read on the Discord, they're pretty much, their owner is he sweeps. He likes supposedly he's crazy and he sweeps the floor. But we'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm gonna just try to flip it. I'm not really into the tools, but having a sniping tool is great. But that's all for me today. I'll let you guys go. Remember, I do have my own Discord, so I want to create a group where we can all share our NFT knowledge and help each other make NFT plays. So until next time, you guys, please hit that subscribe button, and I'm out.